Today in this video, we're going to learn the names of different birds. Come on, friends, let's get started. Hey friends, can you tell me the name of this beautiful bird? That's right, this bird is called a parrot. Let's see who can guess the name of this bird. This bird is called a pigeon. Can you tell me the name of this bird? Friends, this bird is called a crow. Let's see, who can guess the name of this bird? This bird is called a duck. Tell me, my little friends, what's the name of this bird? Very good. This bird is called a heron. Let's see who can guess the name of this bird. This bird is called a sparrow. Can you tell me the name of this bird? This bird only comes out at night. That's right. It's called an owl. What's the name of this cute little bird, friends? This lovely little bird is called a kingfisher. Can you tell me the name of this bird? This bird is called a swan. Let's see who can name this tiny bird. This little bird is called a hummingbird. Who can name this beautiful bird? You got it! This bird is called a peacock. Can you name this bird? This bird is called a rooster. Friends, what is the name of this bird with a big beak? This bird is called a toucan. What's the name of this bird? This bird is called a vulture. Friends, do you know the name of this bird? It's called an eagle. Can you name this bird? This one is called a bulbul. And what's the name of this bird? This bird is called a woodpecker. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more fun learning videos.